next question is, discuss the role of early nationalist leader in shaping the political consciousness of India. How did their methods differ from the extremist? Now here two words are also clear, like the extremist means they are more, not violent, but they are more able to adopt resistance actively. Suppose we are filing one petition in the court. Second, you are saying no, until unless you are not going to accept my demands, I won't follow the law. Both are protest. But one, you are following the law, going to the court, petitions, you are filing. Second, you are saying that I won't follow your law until you won't fulfill my demand. Is it violent? No, but extreme, going non-violent only, but within non-violent, one is following the law. Within the law, those are the moderates, early nationalists. Some said like, okay, we won't adopt violence, but we won't follow your law also, because your law itself is unjust. Getting? So those are the extremists. For example, Gandhiji. Later on, they follow Tilak. Okay. So now, here, post 1857 revolt, there were beginning of nationalist response in colonial India with INC formation in 1885 as a major milestone. Remember, one way of introducing is that starting from background, from where it started, origin, we used in the art and culture. One way of introducing is give the origin if you are not able to give anything, and ending forward looking, how it influenced the later part. So if it is asking one certain period, early nationalists, that means early nationalists have certain origin, mention that origin. Then they did something, it influenced the later. Right? So history think like that. If they are asking any event, how this event was influenced from the previous, how this event led to the next event. Intro, conclusion, in between, explanation. You getting? So that is it. So now this question was similar. So I try to follow that pattern. Here, role of early nationalist leader in shaping political consciousness. Here also I try to make the map. See, you learn that presentation from me. One thing is that how the timelines can be presented, how when we do the GS3 another, you will see how the tables, graphs, and the different flow charts, in ethics especially the flow chart, these all things value addition you will learn within this only. Okay, here you see that the presenting the different major leaders from the different part of the country. That shows the early nationalist, showing them. So that shows I could have mentioned, but this is better presentation. Okay, value addition. So the political mobilization they did, INC formation, organizational foundation, they formed the different organizations. Then ideological unification through INC, economic critique they make, or made the part of the political awakening, Dadabhai Naoroji example, education for the political education, cultural awakening, external support they took, external point, rights awareness. Now what is the difference? Always the difference try to present in this form. Okay, this format, whenever they are asking the difference, they like, the examiner will like if you present, one is the point of difference, second is that the moderate, and then the extremist. Even if you have the 2 points, present in a tabular way, because table covers a lot of space. See this. Most of the time in differences we have less points. It becomes difficult to create it. Suppose Ambedkar versus Gandhi they ask. Now if you write like the point now, you have to write a lot. But suppose you create it, you can expand it. So now many spaces are filled, but it doesn't show that you are not filling the page, especially in the long answer. So in the presentation point of view, you learn this, that whenever the differences are there, try to present in tabular form. Okay, so that was it. This was a direct question only. Here, what was it? Why I kept that part was, why I chose is that to show you the presentation of different sort of questions. Next time, whenever any type of difference, try to present in this way. Whatever you are getting. Okay, we have to learn that presentation. Okay, any doubt here?